Hey, Zach Smith here from the Car Guy Chronicles. Today we're going to talk about some of the biggest myths that there are in the car business. Stick around. Some of these may surprise you. Okay, so 28 years in the car business. I know a little bit about buying and selling cars. And today we're gonna break down some of the big myths that there are in the car business. Number one, I'm paying cash, so I'm gonna get a better deal. Cash is not king, remember that. Whether you go through your bank or their bank, whether you finance or pay cash, it makes no difference. The cost of the car is the cost of the car. There is no benefit to paying cash. Number two, Mr. Customer, if you don't buy the car today, there is no better deal. Or in order for you to get this deal, you have to buy it today. If somebody were to say that to me, I get up and walk out and then decide if I really want to buy the car at that point. If somebody says that you have to buy the car right now in order to get that price, it's not true. The cost of the car is the cost of the car. Number three, you have to finance with our finance company in order to get the best deal on the car. That is not legal. You cannot say that to a customer. And if you don't believe me, go down to your state attorney general's office and ask them if they think it's legal. So it's not. Number four, this is a good one. If you got a low payment, then obviously you got a good deal on the car. Well, we all know the difference between financing 60 to 72 months or 72 months to 84 months. There could be thousands of dollars there, even if you're at the same payment. You go 1 year longer or 2 years longer, that's a lot more money that the dealership can put in their pocket. So if they just say, hey, you got a great deal because you got a low payment, that's not true. Number five, the online price is the best price. There's something happening recently. It wasn't like this when I was in the business a few years ago, but I've been seeing a few dealers that are advertising a super low price, and then in the fine print, or actually when you get to the dealership, the price is suddenly more because they've tacked on a bunch of bogus fees, like a dealer flooring fee or a dealer delivery fee, or these fees could add up to $5,000-$6,000 in some cases. So be aware of that when somebody says, well, our online prices are the best. Well, yes, they're probably the best because they want to get more eyeballs on the car, but getting with them and getting them to disclose the actual price of the car, that's really what you need to do. You call them up, you say, I'd like to buy this car. I see you got it advertised. I need the out the door price, including taxes, fees, and everything. And then you're going to finally know what you're paying. Number six, certified pre-owned car is better than a regular used car. Those of you that don't know, a certified pre-owned car is a car that is registered with the manufacturer as a certified pre-owned car, and it gets their version of an extended warranty that goes with the car when it's sold. It's actually part of the purchase. These are typically warranties that mimic what the manufacturer warranty was on the car when it was new. These cars are typically $1,500 to $2,500 more per copy when they're sold. So you have to ask yourself, if I found a similar car that had been inspected by my mechanic, that had been well maintained for years and years and years, would this be a better value overall than the certified pre-owned car? It's not cut and dried. You have to look and see which one would make more sense. If I can buy this car for $20,000 or a certified pre-owned car for $25,000, you're gonna have to weigh out what's gonna make the most sense to you. Number seven, Mr. Customer, your extended warranty covers everything on the car. It's typically not true, and here's why. Extended warranty typically have listed component coverage. What I mean by that is they give you a pamphlet or a booklet or a sheet that says all the components that are going to be covered under that extended warranty for so many months and so many miles. Now, A lot of times what happens is if you have a repair that needs to be done on the car and it's not a component that's listed on that extended warranty, it's not going to be covered. There are some warranties that are exclusionary policies that will cover everything but this, 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 and this. Those are good coverages. You always need to weigh the expense of what an extended warranty would cost against a repair without the warranty. Typically, your extended warranties are only going to be worth 10 cents on the dollar. So a lot of times, it makes more sense to buy a car without it. Number 8, your salesman is on your side. This is a good one. Remember, a car salesman, or any salesman for that matter, I don't care where you are, is in it for the company and is there to provide a service to you, but they're also there to help guide you so that the dealership gets what they want. Keep that in mind. And these companies that are advertising a no commission sales model, this is nothing more than the salesman showing you and demonstrating the product to you, getting your information. They're also doing lead generation during the day. They are there as an hourly employee. The people that make the commission on the sales are their direct managers. So there are commission sales no matter what. I don't care where you go, there's going to be a commission paid to somebody if you buy a product or a service of theirs. There is no way that it's not happening. So when they tell you that we have non-commissioned salespeople, yes, I believe there are people that are going to show you the product, but there's always somebody that's going to be making the commission. So don't reward them with your business. So hopefully you got some good information out of what we talked about today. So do me a favor. In the comments section, I'd like to know what kind of feedback you've had from what we talked about. What kind of experiences have you had when you've gone to the dealer to buy your new or used car? I'd really like to know. So anyways, if you like what you've seen, please hit like and subscribe. We're going to be around to share more information with you, so stick around.